goodness, look at that. I made my own prom dress. Just kidding, this is just my outfit of the day. I'm just in a very extra mood. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, in the spirit of prom season, and I'm just in an extra, you know, extra mood. I'm always in an extra mood, but like today, extra. I thought it would be fun to go ahead and just make my own prom dress, even though I'm not going to prom because I'm old. You guys have seen me do DIY prom season videos forever, where I give thrift store dresses a makeover, I go shopping for prom dresses, I DIY some ugly ones, but I have yet to try to make one from scratch. So I figured today I would go ahead and see if I can make one literally out of nothing. Since I can't really sew and I've never had any training in this, I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's hope for the best and see what happens. I try to make my very own prom dress from scratch. Wish me luck, kids. I need it. Before we get going, here is our outfit of the day. Ooh, yes. So this actually looks very similar to the outfit I was just wearing in my last video, I just realized, but here we have kind of a Parisian looking look here. We have got a white shirt that I bought while I was in New York from Zara, like 40 bucks, so cute. We got a black bra to pop underneath that for some spice. Again, a black skirt. Oh, Lord have mercy. We have some very ripped tights, so I guess it's time for me to get a new pair, but you know, relatable. So these are polka dotted and we're very cool until that happens. We have got some groovy white Oxford pumps because they're cute. A funky little hat for some added sass. Grab my purse to, I guess, hold in front of the rip in my tights so I don't look too psychotic. And voila! That is our outfit of the day to go shopping. And then we'll get home and craft. So, ba-doom, ba-doom, boom, boom, boom. Okay, here we go. Onward home. Oh lordy. Dun, 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 the beautiful streets of downtown Los Angeles. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and look for some fabric. I need some like really glittery fabric because I think I want to do something like this. So let's see. Downtown is wild because there's just literally so many different choices. Like, oh my god, look at it all. Amazing. This is so fun. Like, honestly, Michael's got nothing on this place. Oh my gosh, do you see the way this is sparkling? I think this might be it. Okay, so I also am going to need a petticoat. So look at all of these. Oh my god, they're taking one down for me that I think might be perfect. It's raining petticoats. Perfect. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, wow. Side note, distraction, amazing. But let's try this on. My goodness. Ooh, this honestly is a look. Okay, this one is a little bit smaller. I think we're gonna do bigger is better. I can't wink, but you know. Hey Ben, I don't need anything today.
Well, it's always lovely to see you.
Oh, shucks. So yeah, sad day, we don't need any crystals, but I figured we'd say hi to Ben anyway.
It's not a crystal-y day, but it's a beautiful day, right?
I love that. So, not profound, what was I trying to say? So happy.
So happy.
Okay, I'm gonna go do this, but I'll see you soon, Ben.
Bye.
Okay, so I also need a corset, so we're gonna pick out one of these. I literally have no idea which one. Too many choices. Yes, all right, I think these will do. We'll see which one when we get back. Woo, alrighty. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's literally sparkles all over me from playing with the fabric. So that is a look. But all right, I think we got everything. So now homeward bound, time to craft. Bippity boppity boo, boo ba doo. Alrighty, so we are home. Side note, look at how beautiful these flowers are. Aren't these so fun? They're like multicolored anyways, has nothing to do with anything. So here are all the materials that we bought for this project. Kind of looks like Yeezy Season 5. Okay, so things first, this is the puffy skirt thing that we got. I actually ended up getting a different one that I tried on, so that's in there. I also got, of course, a bunch of the glittery fabric, so that is all wrapped up all nice in these little thingamajiggers. Then I got some more like gray nude fabric. I also ended up picking out this for the corset. Kind of low cut, kind of saucy, so we'll see what we got with that. Got this because I'm gonna use it as a wraparound thing, I think. I don't really know. Some thread that matches everything, and there we have it. That is what we got. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take the corset thingamajigger underwear thing that I got. You can see it on. It's kind of like a V-neck shapewear. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm gonna go ahead and take the glittery fabric and I'm just gonna kind of wrap it up, I think, into a little tulle ball sort of thing. And I'm just gonna use a needle and thread and stitch that right on until it kind of covers it, looking a little bit sort of like a pattern. Like you can see here, I literally just stitched it on. So you can see underneath here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing and stitch it under the back side like this. Over, and under till it sticks on there. Perfectly fabulous. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the side panels here. So I'm just gonna lay the fabric over that, stitch that in to match both ends here. Go ahead and cut off the excess there so you can see, ooh, sparkly. Obviously do the other side until it is all done. This kind of looks like a stingray, but obviously it's not a stingray. Anyways, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the skirt. You can see, oh my gosh, this is just so fun. I feel like a giant cupcake. But what we're gonna do for this is I'm just gonna take that other fabric that I bought, the non-glittery kind, and I'm just gonna sort of wrap it around the skirt like this. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but this is what I came up with. So now we're gonna go ahead and just take a needle and thread, and literally while I'm wearing that, I'm just gonna stitch that kind of onto the hoop here until the fabric is covering it completely, one by one, over, under, dun, 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 until there we go. Now we are a more formal cupcake, sort of. Then the fun part, we're gonna get to take the glittery fabric. So we're gonna do literally the exact same thing. I'm just gonna take the fabric, kind of drape it around me in no real which way. Again, I'm sure there's a proper way to do this, but we're just gonna kind of free ball it here. And I'm just gonna stitch that on again while I am wearing it until, oh my gosh, layer by layer, look at this. He's getting more and more glittery. Switching gears back over to the top really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and take the glittery fabric and I'm just gonna kind of wrap that around these straps and just kind of stitch that in so it kind of covers the strap like that, making it more glittery and fabulous. And da-da-da-da, you can see the dress kind of looks really weird sitting on the floor, but you can see he is a glittery masterpiece. Oh my God, I'm so excited to put this on. So here we go. Drum roll, please. Ba-da-da-da-da. Oh, are you guys ready for this? You can see how sparkly this is. This is just absolutely unbelievable. All right, so you can see the finished dress here. Not exactly perfect, but I definitely would say, considering the circumstances, I did a pretty good job. You know, I honestly look a lot more like I'm getting married than I'm going to prom, but you know, hey, whatever, because both are not happening, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. Boom, 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 I'm like a living cupcake. There was an old lady who lived in her dress. This looks like an igloo. Honestly, I'll be first to admit that this didn't exactly come out perfect, but you know, considering the fact that I did this in just a couple hours at my house, having no idea what I'm doing, I would say it came out pretty damn good. I feel like Cinderella. So I got the Cinderella dress. Where's Prince Charming? A fairy tale princess. Of course, minus the prince, but you know, as long as you got the dress, to be honest, who needs them anyway? The only difference between me and Cinderella is I would never in a million years forget my shoes. You can see, I mean, hey, not really the best, but you know, like I said, not too shabby either. So there you have it, you guys. That was me attempting to make a prom dress from scratch with literally, I mean, no instructions and no idea what I'm doing. Hey. Thank you guys so much for watching, even though that was kind of not exactly the best video I ever made. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this silly little video. And if you are going to prom, good luck, have fun. 0 out of 10 would recommend trying to make a prom dress like this. But if you want some actually good ideas, you can check out my other DIY videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Of course, I love you guys so, so, so very much. Sending infinite amounts of kisses. And well, I'm gonna go try and clean the glitter off my floor, though I might leave it for like 2 days because I do like glitter, but anywho-see. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. XO. Literally the entire floor is covered in glitter. Oh, nice. Now that's my kind of mess.